Hello everyone, so our topic for today's video is elif in Python. So let's write a comment. Elif in Python. A equals input a output or vari- variable a. Now you can see it is showing us a red underline, means it's an error. Now we solved it, but we have one problem. Let's solve this one. Let's write an if statement. If a greater than b, column and a is greater than b. In the next line, what we are going to write is the elif. Elif b is greater than a, then print b is. And you can see we have written a small program which is doing a job for us. The first one is checking that in A, if we enter some kind of input, like in A we give an input as 10 and in B if we give an input as 0, then it will print that A is greater than B. But if we change this all and make it something like A0 and B10, means B equals 10 and A equals 0, then it will just leave those spaces empty. So we don't want that. So to solve that error, elif can help us, like b is greater than a, then it will print something like print b is greater than a. So you can see now what we are going to do is write else command. Let's give an enter over here and an enter over here. Now let's write an else command. Else column print both are the same. Now you can see it is telling us both are the same. Now let's run these three possibilities and see what it can do for us. So now I am closing my terminal and opening it again. 100, nothing. A is greater than me. 100, B is greater than A. Let's run this thing again. 10, 10. Both are the same value. So you can see all three possibilities have have started, means we used all three possibilities and you all could see how they worked. So, and what is this if else, means if we write something in this format, this becomes an if else ladder, means it is a type of means the first statement is going to check first, means the python will check that is the first statement true. If it is not, then it is just going to skip the first one and see if there is any second statement, and it is going to check. If that is not true, then it will check and check and check, and when it is checking, if it sees any statement from there that it is means that statement is correct, then what it will do is it will print that statement, and whatever is in this or in this or in this means whatever in this or this will not get printed. So I hope you all understood very well. Now I'll meet you all in the next video. Till the time, please practice.